So this is what we're fitting to the rear to try and help silence the exhaust. We have a 3-inch vibrant, ultra quiet resonator. Now at an angle, they fit on the rear of the TDI 3-inch exhaust. Been done, proven done, and here's a picture of one done. And the tools needed. All they've done is they've fitted a bracket there. This guy's actually put a chrome bezel trim in the end of his pipe because he doesn't run it out the rear. But I'm going to run it out the rear of mine. But yeah, there it is on the back lot, and at that it runs perfectly flush with the rear. But we're going to run an old pipe out and have about an inch of poke out the back, just to keep the bumper safe. But yeah, this is the boy. Straight through design. So minimal power loss through this, being straight through, but they are so good. They're absolutely packed, really heavy little box. So we'll see what this boy could do for us. See if we can get rid of some of those unwanted noises, shall we say. Time will tell. Good morning, guys. Right, basically I'm on my way down to Dynodaze now to get my exhaust modified and a few other little bits. So I'm fitting a 3-inch vibrant resonator to the rear of my supercharged Civic Type R, and this, I've got a decibel meter here just for measuring the levels before and after, just to give everybody some documentation. So, we're now on the motorway, cruising at 72 mile an hour, which is an accurate GPS 70 mile an hour. I'll show you what decibels we're at. It's just the tone of the noise at this RPM. Gets and it grates on you. Hi guys, right, I've had this exhaust modification now for a little while. So we've got the vibrant 3-inch ultra quiet silencer acting as a rear muffler, a rear pipe on the tailpiece on the TDI 3-inch exhaust, which has now been supplied by Dynodaze. So just wanted to finish up with another motorway reading. Obviously you're not going to get the full effect from the video, but the drone has halved. It has absolutely halved. It's made such a difference to cruising speed and just general niceness to this car. I mean, it's 400 brake horsepower now. It's got the 3-inch exhaust system all the way through. Granted, it's got the 3 silencers now, so it's got the middle front resonator, but that's a race resonator, so that's straight through. It's got a race middle back, which is supposed to be the back box on these because they're a funny exhaust. That's straight through as well. And now it's got the vibrant, and the vibrant's made a hell of a difference. So I'll just give you the readings now. So as a little exit experiment interview here, I'll give my final verdict on it, and that the results are weird. So when the drone was loud on the TDI exhaust, the decibels were slightly lower, but the pitch of the drone was just absolutely ear piercing. Now, when I did the testing today, obviously the testing was well before previously when I measured the decibels. When I did the testing today, we were measuring a decibel, maybe 2 decibels higher than we did previously. But I can 100% confirm to you that it is a lot better. You've not got that low, really low hertz, pitching, horrible noise that just goes through the car and rattles your bones. So would I recommend this mod? I would 100% recommend this mod, irregardless of what that the motorway cruising video thing on the decibel meter showed. You can hear in the back of that video. Listen to the back of that video, compare those two parts, the before and the after. It's huge. It's huge. Around town, it's so nice. As you see with the cold start videos, when you're idling, it's like almost 10 decibels lower. 10 decibels lower, which is really significant. All I can imagine is because it's a straight through design, you're literally changing the pitch, you're changing the that sort of speed when you're just flowing the gases through, you're changing the hertz, you're changing the actual frequency of the noise. The frequency of the noise coming out now, obviously it's a decibel or whatever higher. It could be my dump valve, because that's obviously been tuned. There is more engine bay noise now. I've got supercharger noise that could be accountable to it, but the drone has more than halved, 100%. So if you've got a TDI 3-inch exhaust and you're pissed off with it on the motorway, 100% do this mod. You will not regret it. It's fantastic. And anybody that wants to hear it in person, hit me up, and we'll meet up some point. Cheers, guys.